A function describes which operations to do to a number. In this example, f of x equals 2x plus 3. This means to take a number and then multiply it by 2, and after that add 3. For example, if we take the number -2 and we put it into the function, then we are going to replace the variable x with the -2, and then the operations we will do to the number are multiply it by 2 and then add 3. And the result is -1. The number that goes into the function is called the input. Our table has an input side, and these are the numbers that are going to go in to the function. The final number after all calculations is called the output. The other part of the table is the output side. The output is the result of the input. Inputs, which replace the variable x, and outputs, which are shown by f of x, can be organized in a table and graphed as ordered pairs x and f of x. Here is an example of an input-output table, and the values from the input-output table can be used to create the graph of the function. To recap, a function tells you what to do with an input. The input is the value that's going into the function to be calculated, and the output is the value after all calculations have been complete. Let's check for understanding. Which number is the input and which is the output in the following example? How do you know? The function f of x equals 2x plus 4. Then you see the work that's done below. Blank is the input and blank is the output. I know because 5 is the input and 14 is the output. I know because 5 is the value that is put in to replace the x, and 14 is the result that comes out from the input of 5.